Good afternoon, everybody. This time we're going to map a non-standard SSL channel strip to our SSL 360 application. So in your host effects slot, grab the SSL 360 link. It opens up like this and it tells you which track it's on. You see it looks like a design schematic that they pass over to the manufacturing department and they fill it in from there. Very nice. Anyway, what we do is we hit configure link. We have two windows here, two tab windows to be precise. We've got the mapping and the plugins. If you select the channel strip that you want to try to insert into the SSL template, select it here. Here we've got the VoiceTech end channel. Now, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, I've already got this one mapped, but I'm going to show you how it works. We're going to unhook some of the links and we're going to put them back in for convenience. Now, if you do a right click and nothing happens, then you're on the wrong tab. If you go to mapping and do a right click, you can see a little pop-up menu. So high frequency, you'd see that the high frequency gain is missing here. And where's our high frequency gain here? Here it is. And it also activates the high frequency gain option in the mapping. They must all share common functionality inside the VSTs. So click on this one. Sometimes it doesn't work. What you have to do is go back here and give it a little wiggle. And there it is, look. Back over here. There it is. We'll remove the high frequency. I'll clear the link and come over here and you'll see it activating here. Watch. See that? And there it is. You have to get a little bit clever mapping some of these utility buttons and stuff like that, switching the compressor on and off, the high pass filter, etc., etc. But I'm sure you can do it. Look, if I do the high pass on this, it controls the high pass on this. I'll unlink it and we'll do it again. If I click on the high pass here, look, it activates in the mapping. And just click here and one controls the other. I think with this information you will have enough to figure out how to do the compressor section and learn to use these buttons as well. They're quite handy for selecting the type of console you want, whether you want a Series 1 console, a Series 2 console, a fake console. You can do all that from here. Click. So work away with that, guys. See how you get on. Any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I'll try and address them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.